this end.
Why are you
Take
putting
this
it
edge.
in?
And go all the way over.
And then
I'll
you
show
turn
you.
it inside
You turn
out
it
and
into
it's
a
all
trick.
covered.
It's a trick.
Because I do
Go
this
all
alone
the
and it takes
way.
me an hour.
Yeah, well, and then you
Wait.
turn it inside out.
Push it through the hole
Well,
here.
that's it, I'm trying.
Okay. And you
Get
put
to
it
the
all
end.
the way to that end.
To that,
Here, you
That's
hold
what
it.
I was
Other
saying,
corner.
but it wasn't
How
inside
many
out.
KOs does it take to make a bed?
Exactly. Okay. Wait.
I was going to say, how many old ladies does it take to make a bed?
I got mine.
I got mine.
Okay, so. Okay, everybody's okay?
Got theirs,
We're
yeah.
good.
Okay, now hold on.
Okay.
Now you get this knife edge
Okay.
and you put it in this corner.
bed making lesson.
Oh my
There it
gosh.
is.
Okay,
Hold
I'm gonna
those
hold this
edges.
in now because you're gonna hold that end because she's got another end. So we got 4 ends.
And then
Everybody's got to hold up their end.
Get it?
Gemma always has a way with words. Here,
Okay,
take
you hold that end.
Now
I have my end. Don't let go of your end.
I got, but I don't have that one.
No, she's gonna get that end. There's 4 of us. We're gonna have 4 ends.
When will this
I'm
end?
diving right in.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Making a video?
I might
I
be.
think dinner is burning.
And see, this thing is now inside out.
Shush! You know, you and Gemma, I'm gonna kill.
Oh my God, she's
Oh,
lumping
see?
you two together now.
seriously.
Life is getting strange.
It's residue. She's still aggravated at me from yesterday.
It is inside out. Son of a bitch.
You're gonna be on the bed
Oh my God! Oh!
No,
What
you
happened?
were
It's
supposed
inside out, isn't it?
to
The heck
lay it up.
happened?
You lay it on one side and then you flip it.
Oh, we did it wrong.
Hello! Hello! We didn't know it! We didn't know it! Oh my God! Oh shit! Oh. And the way I was doing it was the right way from the very beginning.
No, it wasn't. I
Yes,
did
it was.
wrong. You made me nervous.
There's a way that
You're
when you
taking
flip
it out.
Take it out.
I
back,
love
it
this.
No,
turns it
no, we're
inside.
not. No, we're not. I might appear.
You know,
No.
Tyler has
Keep
a
that
duvet
in.
on her
Keep that
bed.
in.
Okay, I got my end.
All right. Keep that other end. The other end.
I've never seen anything like this in my life.
Now, hold on. Put.
That's it.
There you go.
This is
what
how
I
you
said.
do it, Lorraine.
Okay, you lay
This
it
is going to
down.
go on the Real Simple
We
website.
Here, look here. Hey, look here. You hold that into that corner.
See how easy?
She's mad at me from yesterday and blaming me for the duvet debacle.
You had it. What you were having us do before was correct, but we needed to do it with the thing, not inside out.
No. What she's going to do now is now turn it correctly here, and it's going to be.
The tears are like.
And then when you flip it,
Oh my God.
Okay. Hold that.
Like it's supposed to be.
Okay.
Especially when she doesn't use it.
And then here, Gemma, you're making me nervous with that stupid pen. Okay.
Your fault. Okay.
yeah, be nice. This is
Look at how
going
she's
on
yelling
YouTube.
at me.
Now,
Now you're abusing me in front of people.
No.
wait, shush, wait.
One by one, she's going to be mad at all of us by the end of the weekend.
Oh, God. I'm about to spit my water out.
She's being.
I'm following you in there.
Oh, my God.
You guys
I'm
are
telling
done, right?
you. No. Pay attention. We're going to have this bad boy done by the time she gets back.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, like just shove it inside the duvet like most people.
Exactly.
That's what I've been doing for 20 years. I don't know, but I guess.
Oh my God. I'm just.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, quick.
I think I have it.
No.
No. Give me a corner. Wait. Grab that. Hurry up.
Wait, where's it gonna?
Straighten that up. Get that open.
Which way? Which way we going?
Oh no, that's
This
not
way? You're going the wrong way.
Okay. Sweet.
Really?
Okay, looky here.
What corner do you have?
Oh.
Wow. Okay, I have a corner.
No, there really is an easy way to
Give
do
me a
it.
corner. Give me a corner.
Here's the corner.
Give her the other exact corner.
Here, exact
Oh.
corner.
Oh, God. shove it in. No, put your hand down there like I did. Yes, then shove it in. Shove it. The hell?
It's been years since I shoved.
Yeah, and then grab it at the end when you... This is how I wanted to do it from the
Okay, I
very
got it.
beginning.
I got it.
Okay, Mama Rain,
Mama Rain, what?
pull this down.
Hold this down.
Yes.
What's
We're
that?
hanging
This?
on.
This?
Wait, give me this end. This end should go, and you're up here, your end.
Yeah.
I got it.
See?
Wait, where? What happened?
Okay, I have both ends.
Okay, you gotta get this other end over here in this corner.
Where is it?
It's in there.
It can't be. Look! No! No!
Let go of that. She's got the wrong end. Let go. Ah, shit.
This end.
Yes, hold on to that.
Okay, hold on. I got this end.
Okay.
I got the, you had the wrong end.
Okay.
I got it in.
We ready?
No.
Wait, she doesn't
I
have.
have. Where's the other end?
Okay.
I got it. I got it.
Wait,
I got it.
We need a fourth person.
We need. Hey, Colleen, we need you.
I'm not getting in there. I don't
We're
do it
almost
that
done.
way.
Can
We
we just
almost
grab
got
this
it.
corner?
We almost have
It will be done.
It's
I'm gonna
just
be
about
part-
done.
Part of this
Ugh.
craziness.
What?
I've got this. I mean, I'm.
All right.
Where's the corner?
Here.
I got mine.
Here it is. You got your corner? Your corner's over here, baby.
There's a corner.
No.
No, seriously. I might have to leave.
What?
Okay, I got it. I
Okay,
got it.
wait. What happens now?
I got it.
Hurry, hold that corner. Hold the corner.
No, we're good. We
No,
got it.
if someone will hold the corners and we go like this, four corners, and we go like this, we'll have it.
All right, I got this.
Okay.
Okay.
I know retarded is not a good thing.
Are we done?
It's not politically correct.
We're done.
Okay.
Oh dear.
But
God.
this is supposed to be
Oh. It doesn't matter.
like so.
Yeah, there you go. It's fine.
Oh my God.
Did you do it?
Oh, thank
done.
God.
All right, everybody.